In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to favorite stickers on WhatsApp Web. If you use stickers often in your chats, saving your favorites can make conversations a lot faster and more fun. Instead of searching for the same sticker again and again, you can keep the ones you use most in an easy-to-access favorites section. The good news is that the process on WhatsApp Web is simple and only takes a moment once you know where to click. To begin, open WhatsApp Web and go into any chat. It does not matter which conversation you choose, because this action is done from the message panel where stickers are available. Once the chat is open, look at the message box area and click the emoji icon. This will open the panel that gives you access to emojis, GIFs, and stickers. After the panel opens, select the Stickers tab. This is the section where all available stickers are displayed. If you already know which sticker you want to save, use the search option to look for it. Searching can be especially helpful if you have a large sticker collection, since it saves time and helps you find the exact sticker more quickly. Type in a word or phrase related to the sticker you want, then wait for the matching results to appear. When you find the sticker you want to save, move your cursor over it and right-click on the sticker. This opens a small menu with additional options. From that menu, click on Add to Favorite. Once you do that, the sticker will be saved to your favorites, making it easier to find later whenever you want to use it again. This is a useful feature if you have a few go-to reactions, funny replies, or commonly used stickers that you send all the time. Favoriting them helps keep your most useful choices close at hand, especially during quick conversations where you do not want to scroll through your full collection. If you do not see the sticker right away later on, just go back into the stickers section and check your favorites area from within the sticker panel. Keeping favorites organized can make your WhatsApp web experience feel smoother and more efficient. That's all there is to it. Open a chat, click the emoji icon, go to the Stickers tab, search for your sticker, right-click it and choose Add to Favorite. Once you try it a couple of times, it becomes very easy